so happy about it. Okay. Can we start again? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, sure. Vale, let's. My name is Yuliia. I'm a musician. I live in Spain near 2 years. Actually, I'm from Ukraine. And I'm a vocal and piano teacher. And for me, smile is so important. So that's why I'm here. And let's talk about this. It's about my experience now. I'm so happy to spend the time here. I'm so happy to meet you and your all professional staff on my way, because it's a big lucky. This is clinic recommended me my cousina Kira, Irina Bondarenko. He had experience here too, and this experience was successful too, and I trust her, so that's why I try to communicate it with your clinic too. Firstly, I communicate with one wonderful woman. Her name is Guljan, and she's unbelievable. She helped me with all questions what I had in my head because all my life I had a problem with the teeth. It's like very bad routine, you know, and the teeth it's very important to me because I'm a singer and I work with the people. I'm organizing a concert, so I need to be like with a beautiful smile, and it's very important to my work. So I try to solve this problem, and I found your clinic from my cousin, and I'm so happy. And my experience started with the wonderful words, with the support in internet from WhatsApp, and we check the appointment. I bought the tickets from Spain to Turkey, and I coming, and then all team meet me, and I was very happy because it was unbelievable atmosphere from the first eye and I was so happy because everyone tried to help me, tried to encourage me, and it was amazing because everyone talked with me very friendly and tried to answer from all my questions, and in the end we have a very lovely result today. Mr. Chetin is who worked with my with Veneers. My goodness, it's amazing! It's amazing! It's unbelievable man. I really I so happy and so lucky to meet this man in my life because he's so professional. And the first what he asked me, like, what do you want? The first what I asked, what do you think it will be better, because I trust him and I think he had a good experience, so he helped me with everything and he helped me, and I'm so proud and I'm so thankful for this because it's amazing. It's much better than I can imagine. In the first hour, our meet, he promised me that I'll have a beautiful smile, so I think it's done and more better and more beautiful than I can imagine. Yes, the first, when I start to talk with my friends, they ask me like, Yuliia, but when the veneer is coming in your life? I think they already here. Where? I think here. Just two, I think. No, all of them. I say, my goodness, it's so natural and so beautiful, like it's yours. I say, yes. So it was my experience and it's really so nice. I think here, it's a very good question. In the same day, I don't know yet. I mean, but I think here more cheaper than in Spain. It's 1,000,000%. it's more cheaper than in Germany. It's more cheaper than in UK. About the Ukraine, I'm not sure. But in the situation now, for example, here's my safe, and for example, it's maybe in one moment it's better. I think my process was great. I mean, I think it was amazing. I have a 2 meet here. In the end, it's like 2 weeks. 1 week it was before the Christmas time. Yeah, I spent the time here like 1 week. They put me like 5 implants. They delete 5 teeth. Give me like a liner system for 6 months. And after 6 months, I come back, a bit more, but I come back, and now I spend the time here like 10 days and almost finished, and it was easy. I think it's more easily than I can imagine. Yeah, sure, I start feeling much better. I can smiling more obviously. I don't know how to say the words. I can smile from all my heart, and I don't think that, oh, I don't have a teeth here, maybe I'll be very careful, or I have a problem with the color, maybe I'll be very careful. No, now I feel like a Hollywood star and I'm so happy about it. Firstly, it was effect butterfly. But in the end, I'm so thankful for doctor and for all team that support me, and I really now I feel very comfortable with this color, with this teeth, with everything, and I love it. I love it. I think this is clinic the best in Turkey, really, because every one person who work here, the first, most important for me, love their job. They are like fanatic their job, and it's unbelievable experience for me, and they want to do the best for you. And it's not like reclama, it's my experience, it's what I feel here when I stay here like 2 times, but it's enough. From the first eye you understand what happens and you feel it, and I'm so thankful. And 1,000,000% I recommend this clinic, and I want to say that I want to come back, but no. I can come for drinking coffee, yeah. So, I recommend this clinic from all my heart. I wish a lot of energy and good and thankful people on your way. I think you deserve it. It's incredible, it's unbelievable experience in my life, and I'll be thankful, I think, a long time, every day when I see a miracle. Thank you. I love Myra.